Okay, this is more for the guys that does overlanding. I think that would interest them. I don't know if you guys have seen some of these Ensuite awnings or quick big showers and so forth that you put in your vehicle, and it just drops down and you have a shower cubicle or change room or whatever you might call it. Now, some of the places you obviously go to, there is no facilities, so you need to take everything with you. And on our last trip, we had one of these stupid pop-up ones. Never in our life will we use that again, because it's just a mission to fold up and everything. So I had a look at some of these quick fold-up awnings, and I've decided, well, I'm going to give it a go and build my own. It can't be that difficult. Well, not really. So this is my prototype, or my version of how I'm going to do it, using basic building materials that you can get at the hardware store, Builders or Mica or Chamberlain's or wherever. So I'm using a 22mm pipe, as well as 22mm couplings for irrigation, and PVC conduit, T-pieces and PVC conduit to fit these things together with irrigation end caps. So this is my basic structure and how it works. So you're basically going to pull it out, push it over, and there you have it. And everything, all the material, everything falls down, and you've got your cubicle. Then to fold it up will also be just as easy. Fold it up, oops, and there you go. Okay, so this is just the basic structure that I've been fiddling with the last night and late Sunday afternoon for a few hours. So yeah, now I'm gonna need to get some materials, and then do some more adjustments to this and figure out how I'm gonna fit it to the car and make it look nice. Cool.